Greetings, fellow muckas. Today we'll be working on an average velocity problem. The problem: a football is launched vertically upwards from the ground with a speed of 96 feet per second. Neglecting air resistance, the position of the football after t seconds is given by the function s of t is equal to negative 16t squared plus 96t. The position s is measured in feet with s equals 0 corresponding to the ground. Find the average velocity of the football between each pair of times. Part A, t equal 1 second and t equal 2 seconds. Part B, t equal 1 second and t equal 4 seconds. Now pause this video, take a few minutes, and solve this problem. Welcome back. Hopefully you were able to solve this problem. Now let's solve it together. So to find the average velocity of the football between each pair of times, we need to first understand the formula for average velocity, which is to find the average velocity of the football over any time interval. It is the change in position divided by the elapsed time. Or writing it out, v of av is going to be equal to s of t1 minus s of t0 divided by t1 minus t0. So if we find our average velocity over the interval 1, 2 for part A, this is going to be equal to v av equal to s of 2 minus s of 1 divided by 2 minus 1, and this is going to be equal to 1 divided by, now if we need to plug in s of 2 or 2 into our s of t function. So we plug that in, we get 2 squared, or 4 times negative 16, plus 96 times 2, and that's going to be equal to 128. So 128 feet minus s of 1, or negative 16 plus 96, or 80 feet. So the average velocity for part A will be v av is going to be equal to 48 feet over 1 second. So 48 feet per second. And that is going to be the solution for part A. Now, the same formula applies for part B. So let me just copy this real quick. Now we just need to input our values. So over the interval for part B, 1 to 4 is the interval we need to find our average velocity over. So VAV is going to be equal to S of 4 minus S of 1. Divide this by 4 minus 1. This is going to be equal to 3. And then our numerator is going to be S of 4. So that's going to be 16 times negative 16 plus 96 times 4, and that's going to be equal to 128 minus s of 1. Remember we found s of 1 previously to be equal to 80 feet. So this gives us a VAV equal to 48 divided by 3. Therefore, our average velocity for part B is going to be 48 divided by 3, or 16 feet per second for part B. And that is going to be the solution to the problem. I hope this video helped. If it did, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Thank you.